So guys, this is the video you've been waiting for, I think. We're going to do an official house tour. It looks pretty from the outside, but maybe it's a shack on the inside. So let's go in and we'll show you how it looks like. Well guys, we're in the house. Here's the dining area here. Bought a nice rustic table because we wanted it to go with the interior of the home here. Look at this, there's the boss. He hasn't been in any videos because he's like a king inside here. He's eating and sleeping on so many different couches and beds, so he's happy. So here's a nice cupboard here. We're not totally organized, guys. We're just, we're happy though.
Yeah, we really like this rustic theme, so we are trying to like furnish this place with as rustic as we possibly can.
So yeah, there's the kitchen area. Isn't that nice? And we'll go up there later, guys. There's a spiral staircase here. And up there's the sleeping area and there's sitting areas. Just wait till you see that. It's an open concept here. Like everything's open. There's no closed doors, only bathrooms you close the door. So when that wood heater is working, it really does the job. There's the living room area. We've got some nice chairs here. And there's that fire stove we bought, wood heater. This works like a charm, this thing. I'll put the link below to the video that when we showed that we put this in. We have a small TV here. We've only watched one movie since we've been out here. We've been out here over a month. So
yeah, I don't really see even much of a need for TV here because there is like so much to do. Just amazing. Just can't. There aren't enough hours a day.
We'll show you from this angle. There's the kitchen there. We're really happy with this place. We're so happy with everything, the land, the home. Just beautiful. Oh, another light Kulika turned on. Now here's go open that door, Kulika, the screen house. Here's a little wood supply. And we do some grilling right here.
And we made a nice little sitting area.
A little sitting area to have little meals.
It's nice once you're grilling and then having a meal here.
And this is screened in room here.
Yeah, no bugs.
So no bugs, but it's not, you know, we wouldn't put the birds in here because that's just a screen netting there.
Yeah, this is soft netting, so it won't protect them from predators.
There's Sammy, there he is. He's coming on the tour too. You've seen from the tour of the land, we have a big supply of wood outside. So isn't that nice, guys? Sit here and, like I said, we watched one movie. That's it. So let's head upstairs now to that nice, the bedroom area and sitting area. So we're upstairs now. And let's start with the bathroom here. It's a full-size bathroom up here on the second level, really nice. And then there's the sleeping area. And you might wonder, why is the headboard facing that way and not against the wall? Well, Kulika, why is it like this?
Well, ideally you'd have the headboard against the wall, but in this case we couldn't put it that way because it has to do with the magnetic north.
Yeah,
and there's lots of iron in your blood, so you don't want that iron to be pulled north, so you don't want to sleep with your head north. And north is actually in that corner, so we were going to put the head this way, but then even this is north, so that's why we just turned it around. So
that's why it looks like that. And look at this, guys. Another screened-in deck, but only on the second level. It's not as big as the first levels, but it's really nice because you can listen to the coyotes howling or just get some fresh air.
Yeah, this is such a mysterious spot here.
Nice.
I'm sometimes sitting here in the evening and listening to coyotes, and not only coyotes, all kinds of different sounds of night we can hear, like night owls.
Yeah.
Like I think that's what they are, because
we hear that
they have a
hooting,
kind of howling sound.
So there's no light in there, so I won't go in there. Let's take a look at one of the sitting areas now. Nice bookshelf there. And look at that. Nice viewing window here.
Yeah, this is such a lovely spot to be sitting, because it's like facing morning, like east, so
Southeast,
it's really nice
yeah,
in the
kind of.
morning. And I actually want to put a little table here for sewing, so that will be such a lovely spot to be doing some patchwork sewing and stuff like that.
And we thought maybe we'd put the bed here, but it would be, you wouldn't have much room there to walk between the wall and the rail here, so, but it would have fit, but then you're crawling over the bed to get out of it. So that's why we have the bed where it is. Now let's go over to the other sitting area. Like, this is an open concept place, like a ranch style home, and that's why that wood heater works so well. Only the bathroom's closed. And here I've been doing some editing here. I even had a little snooze in the chair there one time. Because it's so cozy, and you look outside and it's just peaceful, like nice trees, the leaves blowing in the wind. And
it's also a lovely spot to read a book if you ever get the chance.
Yeah, we're totally happy here, guys. It's exactly what we wanted and more. And this is a nice view from the second level here, looking down to the dining table. We like this here. There's the spiral staircase. So guys, we hope you enjoyed this house tour. And everything isn't just right yet. We still got to hang pictures and get some curtains. So still more things to do, but we were anxious to show you this video of the beautiful home we bought. And now you've seen a land tour, so you pretty well have an idea what things look like. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Let's get this channel bigger and then get some more people on it. And then once you subscribe, click that notification bell. So we'll see you in the next one, guys.